every part that I physically... Welcome to episode number 1 of a new series we're calling Cleaning Every Part. The object of this series is to clean every part of my 19-year-old BMW 530i. Episode number 1, the exhaust tip. So, the poop chute on my 530i is actually stainless steel. It's got quite a build up on there, so we're going to get it as close to a mirror as we possibly can using some basic tools. We are not going into the back box and all of this up here. We'll save that for another episode. For now, we just want this to look less crappy, which if we stand back you can see really doesn't stand out, which is a shame. So we've got a few tools on hand. We've got a Klin Green Monster. Underneath there we've got some wire wool, we've got the Bright Max metal set, got some all-purpose cleaner, some soapy water. Let's begin. This is super fine, I was going to say cotton wool, super fine wire wool. And pair this up with a metal polish. Plan is to try and get all of this spotting off here.